You have been looking for an head wrap or a gele style that you want to tie without using office pin or rubber band. Come closer, let me show you this one, because you are not going to be needing any of those tools. What you need is just your material and you are good. Now, the first thing we are going to do is divide that material into equal parts, which is 50-50. Make some pleats and place on your head like this. Go to the back like this and cross the hand. Just cross it anyhow. They are on the equal division. Don't mind which one goes up or which one comes down. Now you've crossed it and it is like this. When it is like this, take your time to adjust it before you proceed to the next step. And what's going to be the next step? We are going to pick the flap that you have at the front and twist everything down. What you do to the right, you do to the other side, which is the left side. So you twist both leftover material like this. Now you pick it up and place it on your head like this. Immediately after the last split you made, and you knot it at the center. Okay, mine is going to be not at the center, or if you want to try another style, you can knot it sideways, but this one is at the center. And the next thing you're going to do, go to the back and give it adjustment, make it neat and very nice. Now we come back to the remaining flap, we stretch it out like this, like pleat it, and the one that falls at the front, if you notice, one fall at the front and the other at the back. The one that falls at the front, after pleating it down, take the excess to the back, putting the excess underneath the previous split you made, and use your hand to pull out the fabric in there. Take your time to pull out, because that is where the beauty is. So I'm here pulling out gently, carefully and nicely. So once I'm done like that, you see this one is from the back. I'm going to pleat everything down like I did to the other part. Then I'll be directing the excess forward, not to the back this time around, because the material already falls at the back. Now I'll do the same thing by dipping it underneath the twist I made earlier. Then I'm going to also pull out the fabric in gently, nicely and neatly. So once I'm done pulling out like I'm doing here, I'll just use my hand to adjust it. So stay around and watch the final outcome of this head wrap, because you see this pulling out, dipping in, that is where we have the beauty. So you have to take your time and watch the way I made it. You don't need to rush. So you just use your hand, dip your hand into it and stylishly pull out the fabric like I'm just doing. So I'm done. I'm almost done pulling out. It's just time for me to adjust, merge it together at the center. If you want to separate it, you can separate it. It depends on you. And finally, the look is going to be like this. I love this style so much because it's stressless, if there is anything like that. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.